This is Chris. This is Aaron. This is Alan. This is Adam. This is Brandon. This is me. This is Taylor. Okay? Now what we're doing is we're gonna show you the most beautiful movie ever. And we just waited like freaking 3 hours for this. All these people came here, all these old people, and then we say hey to me. But anyway, okay. Where's my key? I'm gonna lock this bitch. Beep beep. Oh shit! I gotta put the seal rack out here first. Okay, let me go. Man, I hate this motherfucking place. I'm getting behind the counter and act like I'm badass. My Mustang, I drove 60 miles an hour. Hey Chris, is anything happening today? No, the same old shit. Oh cool, I'll just be a loser and go read a book. I want y'all to get the work closed, man. We ain't even opened yet, boss. Shut the fuck up. Man, I just got a hammer. My breath smell like bear. How about them Yankees, Chris? Man, fuck you, bitch. Oh, baseball ain't even started yet. Yeah. Oh shit, I can't fit through the door. I'll go around here. Well, everybody, I had to evacuate New Orleans because there's a hurricane coming. Bitch, I'm not scared of no hurricane. I'm in the National Guard. Say everybody, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Red, take out the trash before the hurricane comes. Okay, boss. Yeah, Gucci. I hope I don't have to work long because my hair gets fizzed up in the rain. Oh no, everybody's a hurricane. My name's E Glue. I will glue you to the wall. Red, tape up the windows before the boss comes. I mean, okay, boss. Gucci, yeah, there's a hurricane. Oh shit, the guard can't do nothing now. Oh fuck, my toothpick.